Here at Hmong American Women Association, we are committed to continue to focus on informing and supporting the community of our ongoing services. Our physical office is still currently closed due to the pandemic. However, we are continuing to serve our community and folks remotely because we understand with the minimum resources during COVID, HAWA focus on being an outlook for the community. If you need services, please do not hesitate to give us a call. We are still scheduling office appointments for the following: advocate services, community closet, legal consultation with our legal team, court hearing, restraining order, citizenship and supporting with citizenship application, civic education. If you or a family member is in need of support, please give us a call and we will make sure we have an advocate or staff meet you at our office by appointment. We hope that we can continue to provide advocacy and support for individuals and family.